Hey guys, it's Toby here, and today I have a furry friend with me. So it's cook, cook, it's cookie. Yeah, so this is Cookie Monster. Hello. Um, this I got for Christmas. I might do more puppet reviews, so yep. Um, it's pretty cool. Cookie Monster is definitely one of my favorite characters. Like, was doing, I can even see that it's work good. That's good enough for me. And he's super soft. And he's super soft. So, yeah. I do have other Muppet characters, but I don't know mostly where they are at this point. But, anyways, this is my review on my Cookie Monster puppet. So, yeah, you can operate him by making your your thumb go in his hand, but I'm going to show you that picture just yet. Now, I do have other Muppet characters that I would like to review. I think at the next episode, as soon as I can find my... Oh, I took this off. I think in the next episode, as soon as I know my early puppet, I'll review him. Bye.